All right, this is installing PowerShell according to Copilot's instructions. So how do I install Docker on Windows without creating a Docker account? So we enable WSL2 by going in here, typing PowerShell, and PowerShell x86 is the one I chose. When it came up, I did WSL-install, which is this command, and now it's asking for a username and password. This is going to be just a test, so I'm going to put Ubuntu. I should spell it right, UBUNTU, and the password is going to be Ubuntu eventually. Okay, so welcome to Ubuntu 2204. Apparently it's already defaulted to 2204. Username and password, so we did that. Docker engine. So we are now at number 4. We're going to go, like anything with Linux, we're going to go sudo apt update. And Ubuntu, and it's doing its thing. Okay. Now it doesn't say that it wants to do an upgrade. Don't know why, but perhaps it doesn't make a whole lot of sense. And of course I can't copy this because that would be just too easy. And we'll go back here and go sudo apt install apt-transport https certificates curl software properties common. Enter. Yes, that's what I wanted it to do. Okay, this is installing Docker. Way at the top here, we said, how do I install Docker on Windows without creating a Docker account? First set of instructions I got weren't great. So I asked Copilot to update and do the step-by-step instructions again. WSL-install. Didn't have to download Ubuntu because I already ran this already. Username is Ubuntu, password is Ubuntu because this is just garbage. I'm trying to get this to work. So we copy here, we go here, we hit Control V, and for some reason that doesn't work. So we have to go into Edit, Paste. And it does that. Okay, and we're going to do this, which is paste. And that was transport. Okay. Okay. This is the new version. Happy with that. Excellent. We're going to paste that one. So that was adding the Docker repository, and we're going to do another sudo apt update. And then we're going to install Docker. Okay, we're back. So that was installing Docker. Now we're going to start the Docker service. And we're going to do the first test. That went and pulled hello world from Docker Hub and downloaded the new image and hello world latest, and then means your installation works correctly. So this is the point where I can now start on Articulated Robotics tutorial.